WF Electrical is part of the global Rexel Group. We've been established for over 100 years and operate 69 branches with over 600 employees throughout the UK. With government announcements and implementation of the feed-in tariff, solar voltaic has suddenly become a very sought-after technology and is now commonly specified on both new build and retrofit. Photovoltaics are a fantastic investment, offering impressive savings for businesses and domestic homes alike by using the wealth of free energy provided by the sun, an especially welcome source when considering the current rising prices and tax implications.
The reason we decided on the PV panels was because the incentives that were put there, in some ways it seems nearly too good to be true, but based over, you can get your money back in probably half the period that it's guaranteed for, maybe a bit under. It seemed like it was worth taking the risk.
For those electricians that haven't made the step to fitting solar panels, WF are on hand to help, advise and train to get you going in the right direction. This short video gives a brief oversight of photovoltaics, how they work, how to be trained, and the service WF can offer. During the hours of daylight, meters could be spinning using the power of sunlight, saving money and helping the environment. Many industries are waiting till nightfall to use lower electricity rates to use electrical power processes such as charging batteries. This can now be achieved during the day using the free power available. So how does the photovoltaic system actually work? The sun excites electrons in the solar panels, causing a flow of DC current. This current flows along the circuitry through the DC isolation switch and into the DC-AC inverter, which, as the name suggests, converts the current from DC to the household usable form of AC. The current now flows through an AC isolation switch into the credit meter, where you can see the savings that you are making. From here it travels into your electrical consumer unit and then on via your electricity meter to your power sockets or into the mains supply. To get the best out of your panels, there are a few things to consider. The more directly south-facing the roof, the more sunlight the panels will receive as long as there are no shadows cast across them. Also, the angle of the roof itself is of importance. If your customers use a microgeneration certification scheme or MCS registered installer, there are 3 ways they can save money by using photovoltaics. 1. By simply using the power they've generated for their own needs. 2. By payments from the government of up to 44.3 pence for every kilowatt hour they generate, even if they use the power themselves. The average household currently pays around 13 pence per kilowatt hour from their supplier. And 3. If they don't use the power themselves but feed it back into the grid, they can earn even more. When you purchase any product for your PV system from WF, you can be assured that you'll be receiving the best product on the market at the best price. We have a close alliance with SMA, the world leader in PV inverter manufacture. WF's chosen PV modules are all MCS accredited and also meet up to our own stringent standards. If assistance is needed, WF has a dedicated PV team at head office that supports your local branch. They're available to guide you through every step of the job, from advice on products and their applications to helping you calculate how many panels you will need, the costs and the energy-saving calculations. They can provide information on current legislation and all the benefits and possible pitfalls to ensure you have the edge over your competitors. Installation of the panels has been designed to be quick and easy, though any roofing work should not be undertaken by an electrician not trained in roofing skills. Again, WF can help you find a roofing team to assist in your installation. The good news is that if you're working as an electrician, you already have most of the skills and qualifications needed to install the PV system, and WF can arrange full installation training. The 3-day course covers everything a PV installer needs to become proficient in installing PV systems, and guidance on how to take the next step in gaining the all-important MCS approval.
Yeah, you chose WF because, having personal contact makes a big difference when you're dealing with anything, especially when you're spending a larger sum of money. And that type of reputation is what probably made us choose them.
If we can help you with any further information, or if you'd like to know more about our 3-day PV training course, then please call us on 08457 35 34 33, or get more information by visiting our website at www.wfsolar.co.uk.